Welcome back to your future hand. Soon moving the live streams to the Bitcoin Broadcasting Network. How was the day? The day was pretty good. Not much happened. Few trades today, so let's go over it. Not a bad close. We are moving in a positive direction. I'm looking at LTC right now, so I managed to play a couple of trades on LTC, just LTCU SDT, because it seemed to move kind of nice. So you can see I took a short from the top, little to no risk on those solid cattle body tops that I like to see. Nice short, closed it out here, flipped into the long, closed it out here, and it's just kind of dangling now. So there was two great trades there, and then Ethereum actually pumped today, which I didn't catch because I wasn't really looking at Ethereum. But end of the day, someone said, hey, Ethereum ran today, it was running, and then I took that short. So I took the short from the top, closed it out there, and took a few bucks today, a couple bucks. First day back trading. Leverage trading since probably April or May on your future hand. I told you guys the summer was probably going to be pretty boring, not much happening. I was going to enjoy it, just do other things and learn some new skills and hobbies, and I did that. Started some leather craft and made a bunch of bags and all kinds of stuff out of leather, which was pretty fun. And now we're back at it. Now we're maybe would have been nice to catch 30 to 45k, but that's okay. We DCA'd and we're up 160% for the year in our DCA, and life is good. Life is good. Where's let's get some BTC action up here and see what's actually going on, because I'm still looking at Ethereum here. What did BTC do today? Not much, actually. I'm looking at the daily chart here. So daily chart could be kind of interpreted a couple different ways. It looks like it could be a bit of a bull flag potential there again. Like I said, I did think this had a chance to come to the $50,000 mark, which is the 78.6% Fibonacci level. And my thought for that comes based on the fact that the SPX has also done an 80% recovery. Started out this week looking good. Like, it's still pretty strong at the top here. I think maybe they're just trying to, maybe they're just holding it here and building some exit liquidity for the year. Maybe knock out a few more shorts. I guarantee people are probably still stacking shorts, because even though they got wrecked for $6 billion in the last whatever this is, probably ever since we crossed the 61.8% Fib. So basically, since we broke 39k, we've licked $6 billion in shorts. And I was one of the very few people. I actually, I don't consume other people's content, so maybe I'm the only one who told you this thing was just going to keep running all year. And I made that thumbnail this morning, said exit now, just because that's what people have been telling you all year. Exit, exit, exit. And we've been telling you to DCA and stay in this thing and be vigilant and stay in and stay in. And we're up 160% this year. We called the bottom. We called the support here. We called this, well, there's been a lot of action in there, but we've had this ascending channel and we've been riding that really well. Again, we talk about the traps in and out, and right now we're witnessing this as the bottom here, or a bear trap. Sorry, that would be the bull trap. Bull trap? Bear trap. Backwards. Distracted by my dog here. Okay. So the bottom, the bear trap, bull trap, bear trap, bull trap. Who knows? We're going to keep going. 78.6% Fib. That's where I think we could top out for the year. So that, again, looks like one more wick high on the weekly chart. RSI. You can see we're still going. We haven't rolled over on that yet, like we have in the lower time frames, and I believe that the lower time frames have just been kind of chilling out, moving sideways, so that this thing can get one more lick to the upside and see maybe a little blow off top action. 47 to 50K would be nice. But I've been shilling profits since 39.5. Actually 38, but they went back in at 36.6 or 37, something like that. Back in they go. You're always trying to get those Bitcoins back at lower prices if you can, right? You don't always want to be the exit liquidity. I do believe you should take profits, DCA in, DCA out, when you got profits, because we are playing against some bigger players, and until this thing sees, you know, more level ground, and you won't have to sell any, it'll just be buy goods and services with Bitcoin, hopefully, because it's much more efficient. And that's just the way that it is. But this is just a daily wrap up. It's 4 p.m. Kind of an awkward time. The daily close is 4 p.m. here right now. It changes to 5 p.m. based on daylight saving. So I think I'm going to wrap this up. But we will continue with the daily close. Next week it's going to be over on BBN. And I think I'll do it a little later. 7 to 9 p.m. Something like that. Something a little more reasonable to expect people to be able to come in, and not just at the end of the workday when you want to have some dinner. Bigs out.